Hi everybody. Today is the second chapter about programming beats, and this one is called linear drumming. Now, what linear drumming is in comparison to what drumming is that this one forces you to be monophonic rather than polyphonic. So you restrict yourself to only one thing playing at a time. So, for example, here here you have, for example, the kick and the hat playing together, kick and the snare, kick and the hat, kick and the snare, which is alright, like if we listen to it. Now, if we want to make this monophonic, we will just remove the hat here, for example, and here, and here. Oh, and here as well. Let's listen to that now. So it's not that bad, like doesn't sound really minimal. It's just everything has its own space, and that works well. So let's see how we can use that in the context of a song, for example. I'm gonna use the same song I was doing yesterday, but with a different section. So let's hear that. First without the drums. Okay, now let's add the drums, and you will notice here that in this beat it's all in 16th notes, and no two things are playing at the same time. So let's see how that sounds like. See, so it keeps on rolling, like it's based on the idea of just having like multiple tom rolls, and here by the third bar it kind of calms down a little bit, and here it's pretty much echoes what was going on at the beginning, but a little bit more laid back. So and to make it more interesting at the end, like it doesn't repeat exactly how it was, and I just added a couple of hats and kicks and snares, also with nothing playing at the same time. So let's play that. So you can get a lot of complex beats out of this by just limiting yourself to not really doing too much. If you just maintain one note per division, whatever, 16 note, 8 notes, you can get a lot out of it. Now this one I didn't program directly, I just played around on the MIDI controller, and that's why you'll notice that the timing is pretty horrible, but it sounds okay. Here, of course, if you've seen yesterday's video, you would notice that it's pretty rigid. So if I want to make something decent out of it, I would play around with the velocities a little bit more, give it more life, basically. And okay, just let's listen to this transition here so that it makes more sense, both beats together. Tomorrow we'll be continuing with beats again, so I'll see you then. Bye.